Follow here, follow here, follow here. Alpha. How you doing? What is it? You come on board. What is it? Water. What type of water? Distilled water? What type of water? Normal water. What do you use it for? I will tell you different to do what? To do what? To do what? I will say to come on like this. I don't know what I know it's normal water. Because me, sometimes I use like yesterday I want to know what I want to wash my fish. What do you use? What is this? Focus. Very good. Open it. What's this? Is this dangerous or not? Okay. Cooking, no. Distillation. I don't know. Open the machine. Because working together, you can fulfill your system. Fulfill your system. Is there something inside? No. Is there something inside? Something inside? Is there something inside? No. It's empty? I don't know it's nothing. Because that yesterday. You have envelope. Okay? Yeah. This is the cooking pot. Where we used to cook milk. This evaporator. Where we crystallize the substance. Don't close it. So please help us open this thing. Be careful. Where are your hand gloves? They should give us hand gloves. Okay? What's here? Open it open. Let's look at this wire. Okay. The same thing with that. This the same. Okay. Okay. Let's open this one. Enter. Any extra no smart? Yeah.